Factor Meals Pros and Cons 2025. Pros: it's time-saving convenience. No cooking, no chopping, no clean-up. Meals come pre-cooked. Just heat for 2 minutes and eat. Perfect for busy people. 2. Healthy dietitian designed meals. Whether you're on keto, calorie smart, protein plus, or vegan, Factor Meals has a curated menu that actually aligns with your goals. 3. Taste surprisingly good. The flavor is one of the best surprises. Meals taste freshly made, not bland or frozen. 4. Macro transparency. Each meal clearly lists calories, protein, fats, and carbs. Great if you track your intake. 5. Flexible plans. Skip weeks anytime. Change meals weekly and cancel easily. No long commitments. Cons: portion sizes may be small for some. Great for average appetites, but big eaters or athletes might feel like it's not enough. 2. Pricey compared to cooking. You are paying for convenience. Meals range from $11 to $13 each, which adds up fast. 3. Limited customization. You can choose meals from the menu, but you can't fully customize ingredients or swap sides. 4. Needs fridge space. Meals arrive fresh, not frozen. That means they need to be stored immediately, and they take up room. 5. Not ideal for families. Portioned for one, so if you're feeding a family, it's not the most cost-effective option. Final thought: Factor Meals in 2025, they are a time saver with clean, healthy options, but they come at a premium. If your priority is convenience and healthy, it's a solid choice. But if you're on a budget or need larger portions, you might want to weigh other options first. So that's it.